Hello friends, today we are here to introduce how to install TradingFinder indicators on the MetaTrader 4 platform. On this page, you can learn how to access and install TradingFinder indicators on different platforms. On this page, you can select your desired indicator from the Indicators section, specifically the MetaTrader 4 indicators. Read about the indicator here. Download the MetaTrader 4 file. Go to File. Download MetaTrader 4 file. Open MetaTrader 4, go to File, Open Data. Access MetaTrader 4. Open Data folder from File, tab. Navigate to MQL4 and Indicators folders. Add the file here. Right-click in Navigator, select Refresh to add the indicator, drag the indicator onto the chart to run it. It identifies BPR and SFB limits. This concludes the tutorial on installing indicators on MetaTrader 4. Please share your comments and suggestions. After adding the indicator file to the folder in this section, the Navigator section will refresh by right-clicking and selecting the Refresh section. The corresponding indicator will be added to this section. You can run the indicator in this section by selecting the indicator and dragging the file onto the chart. Here, we can see that it has identified the BPR and SFB limits for us. Well, friends, we have reached the end of the tutorial on how to install indicators on the MetaTrader 4 platform. We would be happy if you could share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.